the Headless Horseman of Sleepy Hollow. Some time ago, in the little village of Sleepy Hollow on the shore of the Hudson River, there lived a man named Ichabod Crane. He was a long, thin, not very handsome, always very hungry man who taught in the little one-room school in the village. Ichabod had very little money and no home of his own, so he stayed for a week at a time at the homes of each of his pupils. In return for doing some chores and being generally helpful around the house, Ichabod would be given his bed and board, which was really a great deal, as he dearly loved to eat. The part of Ichabod's life that he liked best was visiting the families of Sleepy Hollow. As the schoolmaster, he was always welcomed with great respect and some tasty little snack. He would sit for hours telling the scary stories he loved so much.